Our schools provide a unique opportunity for juniors and seniors to get hands-on experience working in local businesses where they can learn new skills and apply what they've learned in the classroom to real work experience.
I would definitely recommend an internship either through the maintenance facilities or in another field where you're interested in doing an internship.
Student internships provide a hands-on learning experience for our students.
The different types of projects that you could find yourself working on while you're an intern at the Maintenance Center varies just as much as you guys see things happening around your school. Each year it's something different. The neat part about it is it's something for you as you come back to the school and see it, whether it be inside or outside. It's an opportunity to take ownership in the school that you graduated from, or at least from the district.
We will work with our students to help them prepare their resume, get ready for an interview, and even provide mock interviews through our employability workshops called Recipes for Success.
I prepared for this internship by updating my resume with Jessica, which she helped me with, and then Recipes for Success workshops during lunches, which worked on what to put on your resume, how to format. It goes through interview skills, and at the end you get to do mock interviews, so you get to practice, lots of practice before the actual interview, so you can hone down those skills and learn a whole bunch of stuff about what to wear during an interview and what to talk about in an interview, what to avoid talking about, body language, all kinds of that stuff.
One thing that we will guarantee while you're here is we will get you a certificate of some sort. So you are actually coming out of the maintenance department with a certificate that you would get in the real world somewhere in the construction industry.
I first heard about this internship through one of my metal shop classes that I got recommended for, and that which connected me to Jessica, who helped me through this process and helped me fill out the application and everything, and then that led to the interview process.
This is an opportunity for students to see what they've been trained on, to see how it actually fits into a real world situation or an instance to where it can be put into a production mode.
My internship would be 5th and 7th period, and it would take up the entire day, so it'd be like I was going to class over there. And a few things I did is they trained me to drive forklifts, scissor lifts. We build dugout benches for Hamlin. I got to learn more about CNC plasma cutting, and helped them out with any projects that they had us do or they needed to get done.
Given an opportunity to speak with any of the students that have come here and joined the internship program with the maintenance department, I believe all of them would say what a rewarding and positive experience it has been. We will give you the references that you need on the variety of experience you'll get while you're working there.
Students who participate in our Student Internship Program will receive elective credit.
My internship as well was a semester long. Like I said, mine was on an A day. It had 5th and 7th period, and you also receive high school credit for it. It goes into your elective classes, and you get one whole credit for the semester for it. So it's an nice easy credit that you get to have fun and learn some new stuff. My experience with this, it was a lot of fun. You get a whole bunch of experience on top of what you work, and also I got hired on as summer help after the internship, so it got me a job as well.
To prepare our students, we provide them with a workshop that goes, I don't even know what I'm saying. All of our intern candidates will go through what is it called, Matt? Oh my gosh, I can't even think right now. Okay. We will work with our students to help them prepare their resume, get ready for an interview, and even provide mock interviews through our employability workshops called Recipes for Success. Students will earn Our Student Internship Program does provide credit for those that participate in the program. That doesn't make sense at all. Students who participate in our Student Internship Program will receive elective credit.